Sound healing is a form that uses different vibrations to heal the body, mind, and spirit. It works on two principles. Different emotions vibrate at different levels, and blocked or unexpressed emotions are the primary source of disease. For most people, it is easy to express positive emotions like happiness and joy. However, many people don't want to feel negative emotions, so they stuff them inside. If this is done over the years, the lowly vibrating trapped emotions stagnate in the body and cause disease. Crystal singing pyramid therapy activates the chakras and heightens the senses. As chakras are stimulated, mental and physical blockages begin to clear. These healing frequencies can put us in a state that also helps us to recover past life memories so we can release old patterns and trauma. The benefits of crystal singing pyramid therapy: promotes well-being, body, mind, soul. Deep relaxation and regeneration of stress and negative emotions. Strengthened inner serenity, which is trust and grounding. Perfect action against burnout syndrome and pessimistic attitude towards life. Harmonization of body and soul. The spherical sounds immediately solve all blockages in the body, the mind, and the soul. Rejuvenation, recovery of radiance, activation of vital energy. All spiritual work will be deepened. Reinforcement of meditation. Benefits of sound healing: reduced stress, fewer mood swings. It lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, better pain management, reduced risk of strokes and coronary artery disease, improved sleep. The vibration of the sound raises the vibration of each cell in your body, balances the hemispheres of your brain, and brings a beautiful feeling of peace. Book your sound bath and Reiki experience with spiritual guide through art.